This is Clint, our coconut, what's your name? Jelly man? Coconut tree man, and he's going to show me right now how him reach up the tree. Lord have mercy. I just had to get it on video. Go, I've got you now, Clint. Go.
Ready?
Yes, man. Lord have mercy.
Let me show you how this thing looks right. I'm going all the way up, okay?
What?
Boy.
All the way up.
Lord have mercy. Oh! That's amazing.
That's so cool. Look at that workout. William would love to do that.
Yes.
If I want to, I could go all the way up.
Wow. Into the tree.
Nice.
Wow.
Yeah?
Okay, pause.
Let me show you one more step. I'll show you one more step. You could also go around the tree.
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh.
This is a coconut man right here.
This is so he could go around the tree.
Come back down.
And come back down.
Take the time and come back down.
He must have amazing ab strength.
Tell me about it.
And he's tiny.
William would love this video.
William would love this. I'm going to send William this video.
Like it?
I love it. I want to go up there next.